What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna be transforming this car once and forever, and it's been a long time since I've even touched this thing cosmetically or even with any engine mods, but damn, she looks good in black. But we're gonna change her. We're gonna wrap this thing, make her look a bit different, and got my siblings back there. We're gonna tackle this thing part by part. We're not gonna do the whole thing today. Obviously, I don't have a garage or anything remotely close to where I can just put the vehicle and take it apart and leave it like so. So it's gonna be a slow process, but we gotta tackle this thing. And damn, she looks good. So just a quick overview. The car is currently sitting in its stock form. I should say, not really stock. There's really nothing stock about the car, but haven't really touched the car since all my other previous videos. Still has the ZL1 conversion bumper, the Rahana wheels with the blue calipers. All that's gonna be gone, and we're gonna be showing you guys step by step everything that I do. This thing is gonna look killer. Now, in other videos, I would usually just hold off on showing you guys the color that I got for the car, but in this case, I think we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys, since we are gonna be showing you guys step by step of us transforming this thing, and it should be fun. We're also gonna do a TikTok series on this whole thing, so if you guys want to hop on TikTok and see the videos there, since they are shorter, you guys can do so as well. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and show you guys the wrap color, and let's start taking the car apart. As much as it hurts and as time consuming as it is, because it sucks doing so, we have to get it done. So you guys, this is the color. We ended up going with a Nardo gray, and I'm super excited because it's again gonna transform the whole look of the car, completely changing it from the black, because we've been rocking this black for like what, almost 5 years now. I did do a satin black wrap. I did do a camo, which wasn't really on film too much because I ended up taking it off almost like a week later, but we are going to keep this for a while because the black is nice, but it gets dirty really quick, and I want the car looking as best as it can for a long time. And I really like this color. I've been wanting to do this color, even though I know it's a bit perhaps overplayed, but she's gonna look good with this. And again, we have a whole bunch of different things to fit on the car, and she's gonna look great. All right, my guys, we are back. So we're gonna be trying to fix the Camaro again here in our little parking space here. We got the daily, which I'm gonna make a whole video in regards to the daily, but for now we have a couple things to do. I want to take this whole thing apart. I want to address these rotors on the car, which are hideous, and there's a reason for that. I mean, they've aged. I mean, this car is going for almost 4 years, I think, with these rotors, and I don't drive the car a lot, so they're not in bad shape, but they are getting affected by all the rain and all the, you know, the minerals in that rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how they look, and we're gonna go ahead and transform the rotors and eventually the calipers as well. But for now, the rotors are the main concern that I have. But I'm gonna give you guys another good look here of the car. So this is how she currently looks. We already started sanding the front rotor, and the caliper as well. And the front rotor, we just sanded, of course, you know, I guess a little like drum there. It's not a drum, but we'll just call it a drum, or I don't know, the cap. We've sanded that, so that one's ready for paint. But I want to get started here on the rear rotors, and really get down to cleaning most of the gunk so that we can you know, get them looking fresh again. And then take a look at this, you guys. So obviously our car is fitted with a splitter extension, and my god, tell me what is close. If you guys weren't seeing this on video, you guys would not believe me. It looks like I hit, but no. By a half, I would say half an inch. Jesus Christ. So we just had our cereal. We have a Celsius, not a paid product or anything like that, or anything promotional. But yes, you guys, I do want to get started on this. I have a couple little things that I have to remove. I have to jack up the car. The wing, I don't know if I'm going to be wrapping that in the color that we chose. However, the trunk has its minor little details that I do kind of want to, you know, fix. So more to come on that. But as of now, we got to jack up this thing and get to work. All right, cool, you guys. So now that we're back here, we can take a look at what exactly is dirty, what I need to, you know, get with the little wire brush, and kind of clean off everything that's up here, and do that, as well as taking this off, because we are going to have to eventually take off the bumper for the wrap. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's take care of this first. Okay, you guys, so like I said, we're gonna be cleaning some of the suspension parts. You can use this, you can really use anything you want. I'm gonna use this because it's super simple, super easy, and it cleans pretty good. So you guys are just gonna go ahead and spray this thing on wherever you guys want to clean it. Shake it a little bit. Just like so. Little detailer brush. This one's the one that I use for exterior parts. And just go ahead and brush it. Clean everything you guys want to clean. Make this thing look semi-new. All right, you guys, so the whole purpose of this is not so that it looks absolutely brand new. You can still hit that right there. It's just so that it looks nice and clean, what's most visible to the eye. You guys can be you know, free to choose to clean everything. I'm not gonna do it in this particular choice because I'm still gonna take the car apart in some other occasion and just probably do it then. But as of now, I just wanted to get everything that's mostly visible to the eye a little bit clean. Nothing too special, but look, it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better. All right, you guys, so we just finished putting the wheel back on, and the first thing I'm gonna do is drop the car. I have both ends of the bumper loosened for when we're wrapping the car. I'm gonna take off the lights. We're gonna drop this thing, give it, you know, 1 or 2 spins, use the brakes so you guys can see the after result, and we'll compare both sides, and then I have to go organize everything that we've been working with. So let's go ahead and drop this thing and reorganize the whole car, because we have a bunch of work to do, and I don't want to be working with a messy just work area or a tool area, because right now the car is its own tool area. But let's go ahead and drop this thing, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll carry on from that, you guys. All right, you guys, so I don't know how well you guys can see this and pick this up with the camera. Obviously the rotor still has a bit of paint, but that's fine because we haven't really driven the car. I drove it just to flip it around, and this is how much came off already. So the paint, you guys don't have to worry about it getting on the rotor, because your car, the brakes will take care of removing all of that paint. Now, as far as the center part, I think that looks amazing. Look at that, you guys. So we go here, and again, this isn't with the rotor being, you know, polished in a sense by the brake pad itself. But if we come and take a look here to this portion right here, if the camera can focus, there you go. We'll come compare it to this. You guys tell me which one looks more disgusting. This just looks horrible. Here, let me give you guys a further away look. So we have that. We come back around, and we have that. The whole purpose of this, again, you guys, is just so this doesn't, you know, seem all dirty and nasty. And check this out, you guys. The suspension. See if you guys can see that. It looks nice and shiny from this angle here, which again it's gonna be the most visible. We still have to clean the inside of the barrels of the wheels, change the caliper color, and a lot, you guys. We still have to do a lot. We still have to wrap this whole thing. We'll take a look at this. We'll come back to this angle over here, and if you guys can see, the suspension looks dirty. Everything about this wheel looks dirty and nasty. Again, you know, we haven't really driven the car to get the full look of the other rotor, but it's gonna look fire, you guys. And this is step 1. We have a long way to go, so keep tuned. And remember, you guys, this is just to test the theory of what it will look like, and so far I think it's gonna look amazing. Again, you know, we're gonna go ahead and take care of the whole vehicle. Is gonna be transformed 180, so bear with me. It's gonna be a long process because I don't have the space and time that I need or would.